Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In today's new arrivals, we are going to see one of your most favorite collection. It's going to be Banarasi cotton sarees. All these sarees are priced at 1090. These sarees are very light in weight and are a perfect casual wear. Let's get started. The Sugar Rush sale is on. Get flat 10% discount across all our collections, up to 20% discount available on select products. The same discount is also available at all our stores in Chennai, Bangalore and in Hyderabad. You can shop online at www.prashantisarees.com. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. People in Chennai, Bangalore and in Hyderabad, our stores are decked up with all new arrivals for this festival season. We welcome you all to visit our store to take a look at the entire collection. The first one for today is this lovely shade of indigo with red combination, short and long Banarasi borders on either sides with floral prints that runs all over the body, a simple pallu, that's the pallu, and a contrast printed blouse in red, priced at 1090. White with purple, one more pretty color, short and long Banarasi borders with very pretty floral and geometric weaves that runs along the bottom part of the border. The body has got floral prints that runs all over the sari. A simple pallu, that's the pallu, and a matching blouse priced at 1090. Grey, another pretty color with short and long antique Banarasi borders along both sides of the sari with floral prints that runs throughout the body. A simple printed pallu, that's the pallu, and a self-printed blouse in grey priced at 1090. Blue with green, one more pretty color combination with antique Banarasi style borders along with floral prints that runs throughout the body. Printed pallu, that's the pallu, and a matching printed blouse priced at 1090. Yellow with deep bottle green, another beautiful color combination with contrast Kanjivaram style borders on either sides, and the body has got very pretty geometric self prints that runs all over the sari. A simple printed pallu, that's the pallu, and a matching blouse in bottle green priced at 1090. Bespoke is Prashanti's own custom tailoring unit. We undertake custom tailoring, fallen edging and embroidery. If you wish to get your blouses done, there's an option available right at the cart page. You can click that. You can also reach out to our customer support team. We'll be more than happy to help you with your blouses. All these are Banarasi semi-cotton sarees with very pretty prints in the body with rich Banarasi style borders. These sarees give a very classic look when draped. All these are light in weight and gives a very comfortable drape. These sarees are a perfect casual wear in an affordable range. We have some very classic terracotta necklace collection from Beachwell to showcase in today's video. Let's take a look at few of these products. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. All the sarees and the jewelries that were showcased in today's video are available in our website. You can shop online at www.prashantisarees.com. You can also download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. People in Chennai, Bangalore and in Hyderabad, we welcome you all to visit our store to take a look at the entire collection. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.